It's your girl Shani, and today we are doing fried cauliflower. Now, when I was non-vegan, I loved fried chicken. I loved it so much that I took it every single day for lunch when I was in high school. All 4 years, my mom got up in the morning and fried chicken just before school, and I would pack it for my lunch every single day without a doubt. Thank you, Mom. So when I became vegan, I definitely had to find something that would satisfy that craving for fried chicken and fried foods in general. And vegan fried cauliflower is what did it for me. So if you're interested in extra crunchy, extra flavored fried cauliflower, stay tuned. So to get started, what you'll want to do is cut your cauliflower into small pieces that resemble drumettes. And what I like to do is have a bowl of water just ready for them to start soaking in so you can get them all nice and clean, and then rinse the water. For our seasonings, first up is seasoned salt, garlic powder, black pepper, some smoked paprika, lemon pepper, and some cayenne pepper. Of course, you can put as much or little as you want of the cayenne pepper, but definitely don't be shy with all the rest of the seasoning. What you want to do is give that a nice stir and blend your seasonings very well. And then you will coat your cauliflower with your seasonings, and just make sure that you thoroughly coat the cauliflower on all sides so that it is nice and seasoned. It may look like too much, but I promise you it won't be too much, because once we start to give it that milk bath and flour and batter it, some of those seasonings will come off. Next, we have our batter. We're going to take some flour, all-purpose flour or any flour of your choosing, and some cornstarch. Cornstarch is really going to add to the level of crispiness. So if you like it really crispy, make sure you add a good amount of cornstarch to your flour. You also want to season your batter as well. So make sure that the same seasonings that we used previously on the cauliflower, you put also in your flour mixture. Then you're going to take your cauliflower and put all of them into the flour and shake it up and coat it very well. Next, we're going to take our bowl that we seasoned our cauliflower in that still has that seasoning residue, and we're going to actually pour our milk in it. I'm using coconut milk. I know Darius Cook's recipe calls for the Ripple half and half, which I've used, and it is amazing. However, there are a lot of people that don't have access to the Ripple half and half, so I tested the recipe out with coconut milk, and it's still amazing. So what I like to do is pour my coconut milk in that same bowl that I used to season my cauliflower that has the residue from the seasonings in it, and I also put a little bit of hot sauce for some heat. That's optional. So what you want to do after you mix that well is put your cauliflower, take it out of the flour mixture, put it into the milk, making sure that you coat it well with the milk mixture, and then put it back in the flour and give it a really nice shake. And then once that's done, it's optional. You can repeat the milk dredge and flour step once more to give it a thicker batter, but it's not necessary. So what you want to do is take that out, place it on a plate, and let that rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. While that's happening, what you want to do is put your oil on and get it nice and hot. And once it's hot, go ahead and fry your cauliflower, flipping it halfway through. And once that is completely golden brown, what you'll do is you'll take it out, put it on some paper towel or a rack so that the oil can drain, and be sure to have your favorite sauce ready. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on our next video, make sure you subscribe. Drop us a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.